Coleman, Ballycolman. Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Today I have a new delivery. I came here to Amazon the delivery is supposed to be collected 6:30 and I came here on time. The delivery is 3-hour delivery. Um, I expected the delivery to be around the area here, cities or towns around the area here, but it wasn't. The delivery is in Ballycolman East. Ballycolman East. That's by the border between Ireland, Northern Ireland, and Republic of Ireland. That is too long distance to go. It is around um, it is around 63 miles that I have to drive from here until there. 63 miles in 1 hour 20 minutes going and 1 hour 20 minutes coming, and I have 40 deliveries or 40 parcels that I have to deliver in 3 hours for 60 pounds. I have just filled my car tank for 55 pounds. That's not fair at all, actually. And I have just talked to the supervisor in the warehouse. He didn't help me. He didn't say anything. He said he cannot do anything about it, that I have to talk to driver support, and that's the thing that I have done. And when I called the driver support, they said the same thing, that they can do nothing about it. This is the delivery. It is 3 hours and I have to go there. But then I told them that's not fair, that I have to drive 1 hour 20 minutes going, 1 hour 20 minutes coming back, and then I have to deliver 40 parcels and in 3 hours for 60 pounds. So that's not fair. So they said all what you can do in this case, you have to take screenshots and from the delivery, from the distance, for the amount of parcels that you have to deliver, and then send an email after you finish this delivery. Hopefully they are going to help you with it. And to be honest, and to give them the credit, Amazon is one of the best companies that you can work for, for deliveries. If you want to work as a delivery driver, Amazon is one of the best companies, and they are well known to make compensations for people if they are if they feel like the delivery is not fair for them to deliver that much of parcels and drive that long distances. If they feel the price is not fair, so Amazon is well known to do that. And that what I have asked them to do it, and they said all you have to do is just take screenshots. Hopefully they are going to help. And I thought it is going to be around here, that I have to deliver, that I have to drive for about let's say 20 minutes until I reach the first delivery area. But no, I have to drive so far away. To do the first delivery. Anyway, I'm gonna do it. And I'm just doing it for the sake of this content. I like it. I like to do deliveries, and it is a nice day, to be honest. It is a nice day to drive today. Like, it's sunny, and then I like to go to new places, and that's what I'm doing actually. So I'm gonna do this delivery, and then hopefully they are gonna help me later with the matter of the price for this delivery. Anyway, the problem is now it is almost 7 p.m, and then I have to drive for 1 hour 20 minutes going and 1 hour for 20 minutes coming back. That's 2 hours, almost 3 hours driving. That means I'm gonna be so late for this delivery. Like, I'm supposed to finish this delivery I'm supposed to finish it 9:30 p.m. That means for me to go there, I'm gonna at least arrive 8:20, which is 8 p.m. 20 minutes, and then start to deliver all these parcels. I'm gonna be so late. If this delivery is supposed to finish 9:30, it's not gonna finish 9:30. It's gonna finish at least 10:30, something, I don't know. And then I have to drive back for 1 hour 20 minutes. That means approximately I'm gonna be home around 10:30 or even 11 p.m. I'm gonna be home 11 p.m. That's so unfair. Anyway, I'm gonna do it. Hopefully they're gonna adjust the price, but that's, to be honest, they are well known to make compensations. I mean, they are compensating drivers who feel they are been driving for so long. But also, it's a big error from Amazon end. They're supposed to plan it very well. Like, this delivery is supposed to be for our deliveries and not for this price. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna start recording again once I arrive there, to show you the city. The city is called, or that area is called Ballycolman. Ballycolman East is by the border of by the border of Republic of Ireland, and beside County Donegal, and also beside Derry, or Londonderry. Anyway, see you later, guys. See you later.